Hey guys, we are in my bathroom right now, so please ignore like how messy it is. We are in the middle of doing many different projects here at Goodstock Ranch is what we call our new home. So I wanted to hop in here real quick because I actually have an event coming up today that I need to head over to here soon. So here are a few of my items that are my favorites. So this one is our Totally Thermal, and they're actually on sale, and they're going away at the end of May. So this, and I'm so glad that they brought these back because I love these so much. I mean, these are huge thermals. My sister-in-law has two of them. I use this one daily, and I had the home with Indiana put on it, which I thought was adorable. But this is my pretty much every grocery trip, every like outing with the family. This is my go-to thermal, and I love this one. I love the gray. I just love how durable it is. Their thermals have definitely come a long way. And I like the longer strap design, so it kind of hangs a little bit lower, which I really like. So this is probably one of my favorite spring and summer items, is the Totally Thermal, and like I said, it's going away at the end of May, and they're only $35. So make sure you grab one before they're gone. And I also had it in the flamingo print too, so I thought I'd show you guys that real quick. The next item that I have, that is another one of my favorites, is the Away for the Weekender. This was on sale a few months ago as well, and I have it in the Stepping Stones print, which if you guys don't know what the Stepping Stones print is, it is the most adorable, very neutral, gray, white, kind of polka dotted pattern kind of thing. But it's one of my favorite patterns that they have. This is the Twill Stripe, which has also been a favorite for a lot of people. But this bag is perfect for, obviously, any weekend getaways or just any trips in general. I mean, most of 31's bags are, what's it called? Like for flights, like they are considered carry-on or whatever. So you can get this bag in there. They follow the dimensions. For some reason I can't talk this morning. But anyway, so this one is another one of my favorites because it provides just enough room for what I need, and it's not too big for me. You know, because I have my duffel bags for like trips that are, you know, a week at a time or so. But this one was perfect for me and my husband. I mean, I fit all of our stuff in this bag. And then I also put in, you know, our bath products and stuff like that. And there's also a strap in here too that you can connect it to either side, and you can even make it a crossbody. I use mine as a crossbody because if you guys don't know me very well, I am a sucker for a good crossbody. But you can also wear it along the shoulder too, and it kind of drapes a little bit. Just ignore my farmer's tan kind of. I'm trying to get that worked out. Anywho, so yeah. This is another one of my favorites, is the Away for the Weekender. There's a nice big deep pocket in the front. There's one, two, I thought there was a third pocket somewhere. I guess not. But it's got lots of space, lots of storage, lots of options for you. And then my last item, which is like my ultimate favorite, is the All About the Benjamins wallet. If you guys don't have one, you're missing out. Because this is awesome. This is our #1 selling wallet. It seriously is the #1 selling wallet for 31. It is way affordable in cost compared to other brands. And it's very durable, and there's lots of different colors. And look at all of this credit card storage, debit cards, you know, your ID. There's even more storage right there for like your cash. Sorry, my head keeps popping out of there. And then there's more storage on this side. There's even more credit card storage on the other end. And then there's a nice deep pocket. This is where I put all of my change and my cash. I put it all in there. But this is probably out of all of the items that I have, this is probably my favorite. I have multiple Benjamins, you know, in different colors. So I just really, really love it. And I didn't really realize how much I liked it until I actually officially tried it. So this is probably my favorite one. So, and you can even get a little wristlet strap and kind of connect it right there and hang it on your wrist, which normally that's what I do anyway. If I don't want to take my purse with me, I'll just put a wristlet strap on it and then I'll just carry it with me and I'll just, you know, be walking around with it. And like I said, this is, and we have it in, like I said, many different colors. This is our mustard, I call it mustard yellow, but I think it's called Fields of Gold or something. Which I can't remember if this print is going away at the end of the month. I do have a final few party going on in my VIP group that'll be starting at the end of this weekend. So if you guys are not a part of that, you need to make sure that you hop on that because we're going to be having lots and lots of fun games, product reviews, and whatnot. So, anywho, this is probably my #1 favorite item. I hope you enjoyed my quick little video. I gotta hop off of here because I have to go to an event. So I will see you guys later. Wish me luck. Have a nice day.